Hi, and thanks for checking out Tatabase. Tatabase is a DIY app builder that gives you the most possibilities when it comes to solving any business problem. But before you begin building your app, let's discuss a few key basics. A Tatabase app will help turn any business problem into business success by recording and organizing your information in the most effective way and streamlining your information to keep your whole team on the same page. Each app centers around data tables. A data table is a collection of information, like customers, jobs, orders, or any aspect of your business that you want to keep track of. Think of each data table as a spreadsheet, but unlike spreadsheets, data tables can be linked to one another, connecting your information in ways you never imagined, and transforming your information into actions and invaluable business insights. Within each data table are fields and records. Fields are the details that make up the data table. For example, customer name, email, address, phone number. Each of these are fields that make up a data table of customers, and together, these fields make up a record. Think of a record as a row in a spreadsheet. Once you add your fields and records, you can then choose how to view and interact with your data tables by creating custom reports, charts, graphs, and so much more. You can then display reports on custom dashboards that show each team member just the individualized information they need. You can also connect individual tasks and activities across your team to keep work connected and flowing.